Bulls get fat, bears get fat, but hogs get slaughtered. Most retail futures traders do not understand this saying. In futures, you can win when the market goes up and you can win when the market goes down, but you will never win if you're greedy. My name is JD. I teach retail traders how to pass prop firm challenges and improve their overall trading performance. You could be the next Titan Trading community member who we are celebrating for passing your challenge, getting funded, maybe for the first time. Just scan this QR code or comment blueprint and I will send you my 1K a day futures trading guide that can help you get to your very first payout. The futures market offers a great opportunity for the average retail trader. You can take a test with a prop firm like Take Profit Trader, and in 5 days have instant capital to trade the markets and start to begin to make a living. That's pretty awesome, but there is a problem. The average retail trader gets stuck dreaming about catching the big one. It happens like this. You are trading on October 10th, 2025, and you see the market begin to drop. You jump in, you catch 6 points. You are happy, ecstatic even. 6 points at 5 contracts is $1,500. Great day. Then the market keeps falling and you now start to feel regret. Even though you just made $1,500, the next thing you know, the market has run and dropped 100 points and you mess around and do the math. You were in a trade that could have made $25,000. From this point on, your only mission will be to catch that 100-point move. Many retail traders will destroy their careers right here at this moment. The real trap in futures trading is that there is no ceiling on how much you can make. So everyone is greedy and shoots for the stars. The hidden irony is once you start trying to catch the big runs, you never will. You just won't. You will have story after story about how you almost caught the big one, but blew your account 2 candles before the run started. Or it knocked you out to the tick, then the run started. You are going to be so close 1,000 times, but you won't catch it. Or you will go through 20 funded challenges before you do. On the flip side, if you take the same, let's say, WIFEY setup, that on average makes 3 points, you will then have a bunch of 3-point wins, 6-point wins, all with the same WIFEY setup. Then one day, when you are just taking a regular WIFEY setup, you will be up 3 points and you think nothing. Then you see 10 points and you're like, heck yeah. Then you see 20 points and you are like, I caught one, right? Then you blink and you're up 30 points. It's at that moment that you realize I was going about this wrong for a very long time. The best way to not get greedy trading futures is to have a strategy that gets you consistent base hits with the potential for a home run. If you need help to get your first payout, scan this QR code or comment below blueprint and I will send you my 1K a day guide. Now it's time to put in some work study. Roll it. Hey, today is October 23rd, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for today. We're just gonna start at the beginning of the session on the ES. We're trading the ES futures contract. And so we'll start on the ES, catch up, to the current price action. Then see if we can get it traded at the open. Let's check it out. All right, so today has been not too much going on. We're clearly in a range, as you see, because the 21 EMA looks like a roller coaster. That tells me right out of the gate, we're in a range. So range rules apply. Range rules just mean, hey, we don't do anything until we get to the extremes. We get up here, let me change that color. We get up here, we'll sell. We get up here, we'll buy. Range fade is what it's called. So range rules apply. We do nothing in the middle. Those are the rules. Okay, so we were ranging, but I want to point out one setup here because I get asked about this a lot. There is a classic, well, I ain't gonna say classic because the context may not be classic, but the setup is classic. There's a classic WIFEY trade center right here. Let me show it to y'all. So when you get this low, and then when you push up and get back above the 21 EMA, you will be looking for this first green candle to start the pattern, actually start the sequence, because the WIFEY trade has a color code sequence, which makes it awesome for new traders. So you look for the first, in the color code, I'll just tell you what it is. It's green, red, green. All right, that's what you're looking for. That's the color code for this trade. So we get a low, higher, 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 lower. This is your first entry. Push up, first entry. It's also your low, push, 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 down, higher low. See this low, excuse me, this low of 67.30, right, is higher than this low of, let's just say 67.17 or something, you know. All right. So this low is higher than this one, higher low, right? That's the setup. Then you need a signal candle. Tried to go lower, couldn't. Look at the rejection per the stem. Enough buy orders came into the market to push this bubby up, close on its top, close higher than the bar to the left. This is almost a perfect signal candle. I mean, it's 1 inch, it's 1/4 of a tick off of being perfect. If this boy had closed on his top, perfect. And it gave you the sequence, green, red, green with a signal candle. It's nothing but a higher low trade, but the color sequence is what gives us the WIFEY trade. Also, for it to be a real WIFEY trade, man, you got to be above that 21 EMA. This is a trade that happens once you get above the 21 EMA. You get above the 21 EMA and you see this sequence, green, red, green, or red, green, red if you're going short. You see that sequence? Go time. That's a WIFEY trade. Bang, that's my favorite trade. That's my trade. You ain't heard WIFEY trade from nowhere else but jdhider.com. Don't let nobody fool you. Don't let nobody steal it. All right, the WIFEY trade is mine. And this is how it works. Boom, low, higher low, signal candle, golden, off to the races, man. When WIFEY trades, look for them, see them, trade them. All right, now, we get that WIFEY trade and we get the truck in. It's just nothing in here, man. It's the EMA is straight across, man. You just got to stay out of this or you get chopped to pieces. Hey, then we start trucking down, okay? Here's another variation of that WIFEY trade. I guess this is a WIFEY trade. Here's another little variation of it. Now, I would have rathered it, again, the best WIFEY trades is going to be sitting right here on this 21 EMA. I mean, all 3 bars will probably touch it just like here. All 3 bars will probably touch the 21 EMA when it's perfect. But here's another variation. Red, green, red, going short. Nearly off the 21 EMA. But yeah, you go right here, you lose. Unless your stop was back here somewhere, which that would have been pretty far back. Or unless you was outside of structure, then you would have survived. But I'm just showing you the pattern here again. Again, this one is a little different than this one up here is textbook. But that's kind of the pattern. And I mean, actually, oh, here it is right here. Bam. Look at that. Off the 21 EMA. Red, green, red, bang. WIFEY trade. That WIFEY setup is something. I'm telling you, it's something. That WIFEY trade is something. So you get a WIFEY here. Bang, head it up. And here's a WIFEY here. Bang, head it down. Just so you see what those look like. Man, boom. WIFEY up, WIFEY down. And you in business today. Okay, what we getting? And that catches us up. Okay, so looking at this current price action, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, here's a leg. Because we made a bottom, came up here. That's a leg. This to me looks like the center of a pattern. Like kind of sort of like this high, push down, push down. Oh, this is your first entry. Bam, that's your first entry. Because it's lower, 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 bang, higher. Push down, first entry. That's your first entry. So because we have this leg here, I would expect a second leg, the same distance of this. So I would expect prices actually to come here, complete this market cycle, then drop and break out of this range because, man, the market been going short. So that's my call. That's my call. I'm actually going to go short. I'm expecting that second leg to complete. Hopefully it completes before the market opens. That would set us up perfect to start to reverse the head lower, maybe we get in at the very beginning of a trend, which would be awesome, especially if we catch the breakout, which would be awesome, and then we may be in one. So that's my call. I'm looking to go short if this second leg completes. And if it doesn't complete, that's even more information that we're gonna go short, because it's tried to make two legs and failed. Anytime the market tries to do something twice and fails, it's gonna go the other way real hard. So that's the call. I'm gonna be looking for a short, and it's probably gonna be a WIFEY trade just because we see them out here, right? It's probably gonna be a WIFEY trade off the 21 EMA going short. That's the call. Let's see what we get. All right. So we want this thing to try to test or make it either way, and the market's gonna open up in 15 minutes. A lot of time. We'll see what happens, and we'll be back. All right, so we're back. We're doing what I thought. Here we are. Got that leg. Let's put a line here. I don't want to use this. I want a horizontal line. I would like to see if we get this new high. Trend up, trend break. Bam, we trying to get the new high right now. It's a fight. It's a fight. I want to say something though. Look how far away we are from the 21 EMA right now. If we rock it up here and then I see a big candle down, I'm going short. We're too far away from 21 EMA. It's going to act as a magnet. I should be able to grab quick 3 points. Market's going to open up in a minute. It's pushing higher to trap longs right now. We're in the center of the range. Range rules actually should apply. But because I got these two legs up, because I got two legs up now, this market cycle is probably over. We probably should come down for a little while, maybe try to test this low here, or come on down here to the bottom of this range. Let's go.
Order
It's
submitted.
doing exactly what I thought. It's pausing right here. We get a big, strong red candle down. I'm going. See what we get. Too far away from 21 EMA, y'all. This is gonna be a very small risk. If that candle turns red, I'm going. It can't do it. Can't do it, y'all. New candle. Where the market at? All right, y'all. Market is going to open. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. We are almost to the second leg. Hey man, did I call it or did I call it, man? It's just a market cycle. I didn't do nothing special there. That's the market moves in twos. This the second leg. It's countdown. It's no surprise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Come on, big candle. All right, we made it. That market cycle is now over. We've had a complete leg. We're a mile away from the 21 EMA. We're so far away from this 21 EMA. All right, still trucking. We still trucking. Waiting for the candle. Look how far away from 21 EMA we are. Look at that little candle. Ooh, look how little it is. Look how little it is. We're gonna go off that little hammer if it trigger. Here we come.
Order filled.
Put my stop above structure. The EMA, it should act as a magnet. Come on, EMA. Act as a magnet. Act as a magnet, EMA. Come on, EMA. That's the win. Push down, push down. All right. If we can push down right here, back into that range, back into the range. Closing your low, break in, break back in, break back in. Down, 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 closing your low.
Stop filled.
Good trade, good trade, good trade. Hey, so if you want to learn how to trade, you need to learn how to read a price chart, all right? I have a new futures trading system. It's out and it's currently 75% off. Get it while it's hot, people, all right? Till next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.